don't need no drama, don't need problems in my head. We don't need no drama. Dancing to a different tempo, could just be an echo.
Hi guys, welcome back to Live, Laugh, Learn with Kyra-Joy. Welcome to a brand new episode of Extreme Science. I'm Kyra-Joy and this is my special co-host,
Lavelle Justice.
Yeah. If I told you you could get a glass, fill it with water, turn it upside down and the water won't come out, you probably won't believe me.
I don't believe you.
Well, let me show you. All you need for this experiment is a glass, a tray, just in case this doesn't work out,
Tell me.
a card, and...
Water.
But before you go into the experiment, safety first! So, to begin this experiment, we need to fill our glass with water.
Open it. I don't see I can open it.
Yeah, you can. Okay, now pour it. Okay, now stop. Put the lid back on. Just so more doesn't spill out. Now, I'm going to get this card. Push it down for a while. Now, turn it over. Wait a few seconds. Tick-tock. Okay. No. Take two. Let's try again. Okay. Push it down. Okay. It fell into my hand. See, this is why you need a tray, guys.
Uh-oh. We can do this at home.
There we go. Told you it was possible.
Yeah.
Whoa! Now, let me tell you the science behind it. The air that is all around us, which is pushing in different directions, which is pushing underneath the card, it's stronger than the water, so the water is strong enough so the water won't fall out.
You need to use your hands, the cup, and the water, and the glass, and this, and all things. You can do this at home.
Yes, you can do this at home. He knows what he's talking about. Let me show you a little trick. I can turn it over, whoa, and turn it back around again.
Wow.
Without it falling.
Wow.
Magic!
Wow, it's magic. The thing I looking is like subscribe and every day drop the mic.
Just to show you how good my science experiment was, I'm going to test it out. I'm going to do some dances with the cup on top of my auntie's head. So...
Wait, on top of the head?
Yes!
It's going to work?
Yes! We'll have to see about that.
Oh God.
It's going to throw you up on your head.
It's going to go on my head?
Yes.
Oh, let's hope not.
Yes, it is.
Not that I don't trust your science, but I'm just going to, safety first. Remember, safety first.
Kyra-Joy, can you dab with it?
Yeah, I can bear with it.
Kyra-Joy, can you floss with it?
Yeah, I can floss with it.
Kyra-Joy, can you roll with it?
Yeah, I can roll with it. Yeah, I can roll with it. What else? What else was there? I can... What kind of game is this? Now this is what I call science. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and every day, just a fire!
Talking.